Use screw A to install the latch. Make sure the square rod horizontally passes through the latch. Use screw B to install the plate. Connect the IC cable. For different hinge door open direction, PLS follow as shown way to adjust the rotary module before tightening with screws. The mounting plate is aligned with the screw hole of the interior panel. Install the battery according to the positive and negative pole. Install the interior panel and tighten it. Now you can start to setting your fingerprints and use them to unlock your door.